Ready to build your very own student management system using Java right here on your laptop? Let's dive in. First, fire up your favorite integrated development environment, or IDE, and create a brand new Java project. Give it a meaningful name like Student Managements. Make sure you've selected the correct Java Development Kit, or JDK, when setting up the project. Now, let's create our core classes. We'll need a student class to store student information like name, ID, and courses, then a course class to represent course details, and finally, the heart of the system, a ManagementSystem class, which will handle adding, deleting, and listing students and courses. Inside the ManagementSystem class, implement methods for essential operations. The addStudent method should take student details as input and create a new student object, storing it in a suitable data structure like an ArrayList. Similarly, create a deletaStudent method. This method should take a student ID as input, search for the corresponding student in the ArrayList, and remove them from the list. Remember to handle cases where the student ID doesn't exist. Next, build a listStudents method. This one will iterate through the ArrayList of students and display their information, perhaps using a simple formatted output to show each student's details neatly. Time to wire everything up. In the main method, create an instance of your management system. You can now build a simple user interface, either in the console using Scanner, or by creating a GUI using libraries like Swing or JavaFX. This allows users to interact with your system. With the UI in place, users can add new students, remove existing ones, and view a list of all students in the system. Customize this to your liking and add more advanced features, like assigning courses or generating reports. For extra credit, explore more advanced features. Implement searching functionality to quickly find specific students by name or ID. Add sorting capabilities to organize the student list alphabetically or by other criteria. Congratulations, you've now built a basic student management system in Java. The possibilities are endless for expanding it and improving your coding skills. Keep practicing, and happy coding. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Java tutorials.